Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Marketplace at the bottom of your screen. Once Marketplace opens, search for an item or scroll until you find the listing you are interested in. When you see the item, tap on the listings to open it. Now look closely at the listing page. Scroll down a little and you will see the seller's name and profile picture. Tap on the seller's name. This opens the seller's profile. Here you can see their Facebook profile, how long they have been on Facebook, other items they are selling, and sometimes seller ratings. If you want to contact the seller, go back to the listing, tap the message or send message button. This opens Messenger where you can chat with the seller directly. And that's it. That's how to find a seller on Facebook Marketplace using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.